All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Getting an early start here. Justin Clark, going to look at these crypto markets. Um, as you come on, let me know who you are and what part of the world you're tuning in from. If you're seeing this live or on replay, and if you want market analysis like this, this is the place to be. All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. We're going to be taking a look at a chart setup called the MA Momentum chart setup. And this chart setup is for looking at the overall position of a coin or an asset. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. Okay. There it is. All right. Let me zoom in a little bit. So if you're a member of iCoinPro, you can go ahead and click on my iCoinPro training. And if you want to learn about the moving average momentum or MA momentum chart setup, you're just going to click there and then click on MA momentum, and it's going to take you right to the training. All right. So let's see what we got going on here today. I will pull up this chart. If you click here and then you click on MA Momentum, this is in our software. It's our custom software that we built for trading our strategy. We're going to take a look at this chart. And for those who are new, these green and red things, they are called candles. They just show you what's happening on the price action, for whatever period of time you've selected. In this case, it's a 1-day candle. These, colored spaghetti lines, the purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc. Those are called moving averages, and they just show you potential areas of support and or resistance. The shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. And what's cool about this chart is when you see this chart and you see that the price action is trading above all of these moving averages, in particular when it starts trading above this light purple moving average, then essentially you're potentially in a bullish market and building up bullish momentum, and almost definitely not in a bearish market. Now, on the flip side, when we start trading below everything, right, and in particular below this light purple moving average, then you're potentially in a bearish market and almost definitely not in a bullish market. So let's flip over here and look at where we are now. So we're kind of potentially going bearish. We've got a bubble on the Bollinger Bands, which kind of shows, where we've got some momentum going, some change in price action going, price range. All right, that's what this kind of shows, like a potential range of trading. And we are trying to stay above certain moving averages, but having a little bit of a challenge here. So the key levels that we really, really need to watch, curious who's on early. Welcome, Ernie. Good to have you here. The key levels that we need to watch right now definitely need to stay above 85,000 for sure. We're trying to do that right now. On the upside, we need to reclaim 90,000 and start trading above that. And then below that, we've got 80,000 is kind of the last line of defense. If we lose 80,000, then we are potentially, again, anything can happen. A news event can happen. It can explode out through the roof at any point. But anyway, we're potentially, continuing the bearish trend if we lose 80,000. And of course, if we lose 75, oof, it could get kind of ugly. So that's kind of the key resistance areas that I'm seeing there. Let's check on longs and shorts. All right. We're getting more and more people going long. Long means they're betting that Bitcoin's going up, usually borrowing money to do it. So it's risky trading. They can blow out their accounts. And then shorts are people betting it's going down. Longs make money when it goes up. Shorts make money when it goes down. So we're not really in the danger zone yet. Once one of these numbers gets over 70%, then the potential for more drama ensues. But for right now, we're pretty much dead even. So we're just going to have to see what happens here on this. Yeah, not really super clear on what is going to happen next or what, the potentials are. Um, so we'll just kind of keep an eye. But if this goes over 70% on the long side, then we run the risk of a potential long squeeze, which would drive the price down potentially more dramatically. So we'll just have to see what happens. All right, let's flip over here and we're going to be taking a look at, hold on just 1 second here. Let me open up iCoinPro. Get out of there, menu. All right, hold on. Okay, we back. All right. So what's hot, what's not to potentially trade? This menu is still here. Oh shoot, keeps. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Average low to SMA. Whoop. There we go. Let me move my 24-hour volume a little higher here. All right, so L3, I think this is a newly listed coin. This is always potentially very dangerous when you have a newly listed coin. So I'm not going to recommend that as a trading thing. I think we're going to go to Orca and auction are going to be our two. Auction because it's already so low. So that's a good one to potentially trade. And then Orca, as long as it keeps moving up and down well, it came way down, then shot back up, and we're getting some good volatility ranging in here. So definitely Orca and auction are going to be my two that I'm going to be watching the most closely. Let's see, Trumpity Trump. This coin, did it just set another lower low? Wow, incredible. No, not quite. It's pretty low too, so that could be a pretty fun one to trade as long as it's moving. Let's see what it's. Yeah, boy, it's barely moving. So once it starts to really get some good roller coastering, Trump could be fun. But Orca auction, definitely good ones right now to trade. And that's what I got for you this morning. If you want to learn how to trade these crazy crypto markets, do our free boot camp. You can get back with whoever shared this video with you. Or the person who introduced you to iCoinPro, and they'll be more than happy to get you that free boot camp to learn how to trade these crypto markets. And if you don't have a refer, then shoot an email to support@iCoinPro.com, and they will be more than happy to help you. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great day, and let's see what happens here today. Bye-bye now.